You would be shocked at how many people in the podcast industry record their podcast. Not every time they do, but on occasion in a clothes closet. Some of the clothes closets are bigger than others. This appears that Ira Glass is using here is rather small. A lot of them are like walk-in closets, things like that have a lot of clothes around them. As you can see, he's actually recording into clothes that are hanging right in front of him. And what that is a terrific sound buffer. Back when I started, this was back in the early 2000s, I I rented an office in an office building to do my radio show, and I was offering services. It was called Loudvox back in those days. And I built a little enclosure in an office space that was made out of wood doors, hollow wood doors from like Home Depot. And, and then I hung shipping blankets over the doors to create a sound buffered room for the recording